यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2024 को अब 14 से 15 दिन बचे हैं। आखिरी मोमेंट पे हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं कि हम इजीली कट ऑफ के पार निकल जाएं, 15 टू 20 मार्क्स हम कट ऑफ से ज़्यादा लेकर आए और इजीली हम जो पेपर दे के निकलें तो हम इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि नेक्स्ट डे हम अपनी मेंस की प्रिपरेशन करना शुरू कर दें। इसके लिए मैं आपको एक आज बहुत ही इजी इम्प्लीमेंटेबल एंड प्रैक्टिकल सोल्यूशन बताता हूँ। दोस्तों, यूपीएससी की एक हैबिट है एंड आई थिंक कि यूपीएससी भी चाहती है कि हम उसकी इस हैबिट को नोट करें और अपनी एग्जामिनेशन स्ट्रेटजी में इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करें। ये हैबिट क्या है यूपीएससी की? ये हैबिट है दैट यूपीएससी टेंड्स टू रिपीट इटसेल्फ। यूपीएससी टेंड्स टू रिपीट इटसेल्फ एंड हाउ डज इट रिपीट इटसेल्फ? by repeating the option statements, the keywords that it has been asking over the subsequent years. कई सालों से हम देखते आ रहे हैं, रिपीटेडली आप देख सकते हैं कि यूपीएससी जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछता है और उन ऑप्शन में कुछ कीवर्ड्स डालता है, नेक्स्ट ईयर सब्सिक्वेंट ईयर्स में उन ऑप्शंस या कीवर्ड्स पे वो क्वेश्चन भी पूछता है। ये सबसे इजी तरीका है हमारे मार्क्स को बूस्ट करने का, बट मोस्ट कैंडिडेट इस चीज को ध्यान नहीं देते। कुछ लोग ध्यान देते भी हैं तो वो सोचते हैं कि अगर इसको पढ़ने गए तो बहुत लंबी बात हो जाएगी। नहीं, अगर हमें एक विकिपीडिया के फर्स्ट पेज टाइप नॉलेज भी है इन कीवर्ड्स पे, देन वी विल बी एबल टू एस ऑल द क्वेश्चन विच विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस कीवर्ड्स। आपको इलस्ट्रेशन के तौर पे शो करने के लिए वी हैव फ्यू एग्जांपल्स। 2022 के अंदर क्वेश्चन पूछा था रिगार्डिंग डीएनए बारकोडिंग। इससे पहले भी यूपीएससी बहुत बार डीएनए आरएनए के ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका है। डीएनए बारकोडिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आप जानते और थोड़ी पेरिफेरल नॉलेज लेते उसके बारे में, तो आप इन क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व कर सकते थे जो 2023 में पूछे गए, वेदर इट वाज एरियल मेटाजेनोमिक्स और माइक्रोसैटेलाइट डीएनए। Question was asked in 2022 regarding some countries and why they were in news. Chad, Guinea, and they had mentioned that Chad is famous for setting up a permanent military base by China, which was a wrong statement. And they had mentioned that Guinea is in news because of suspension of constitution and government by military. That is, a form of coup has happened in Guinea. So if you had studied in 2022 that Chad is not famous for a military base by China, but it is also facing some sort of coup, and Guinea is also in news because of coup. So next year you would have answered this question very easily. You got it? See, they had asked in 2022 regarding Sangam literature. They had asked few things about Sangam literature, and then in the next year they had asked about Sangam poem and a word called Vatta Krutal. Some form of learning of Sangam literature would have helped you to answer this question. This question they had asked about Yadavas, which is related to the post-Gupta period, decline of Gupta and rise of Harshvardhana. Again, they had asked about these dynasties in 2023. UPSC had asked a question regarding Jain literature, Jain text in 2022. In 2023, they again asked a question which included Jaina text, Hamir, Mahavakya, Nitya, Kya Mitra. Both are written by Jain monk and these are Jain literature. Again, a question was asked related to Jainism. So, if you had prepared Jainism, Jaina text, you would have easily answered two questions in the same year. Question was asked on Somalia. Next year, again, question was asked on Somalia. Question was asked on coal. Next year, again, question was asked on coal. Question was asked on fifth schedule of the Constitution. Again, fifth schedule means schedule area. Question was asked. Question was asked regarding foreign currency convertible bond. Again, a question was asked regarding convertible bonds. These are only few examples for your illustration. The objective is to put in your mind a very clear picture of the this habit of UPSC, that it tends to repeat itself. So why do we not exploit this habit for to our own advantage? So we have presented for you, we have prepared for you the PYQ keywords for 2024, the keywords of 2023 paper, which would help us to get at least 20 plus marks in 2024. This is a set of 91 keywords which are very very important for 2024 and subsequent attempts. In on our group, this UPSC Mentors Hub, we are providing free content, very short, crisp content on these PYQ topics. So if you read them, revise them once or twice,